Okay, so this video is a look at Lights and Sound's U.S.S. Enterprise. I used to have one of these, which did the exact same thing as this, based on the Enterprise from the Star Trek films from the 70s and 80s. I preferred that one as I grew up watching those Star Trek films, so it meant more to me. Unfortunately, after one thing and another, it ended up breaking on me. But when I saw they made one from the 2009 rebooted Star Trek film, I got it as a replacement. It's just a very good representation of the Enterprise on a very attractive translucent blue base, and plays film quotes and sound effects to a light show when the blue button on top of the bridge is pressed. It doesn't just play 5 then repeats itself, it's a lot more random than that. It can play 1 and then repeat it straight after. So to ensure you see and hear them all, I'll press it 10 times in a row. That should catch them all. And, as I like to do with something with lights and sounds, I'll be doing this in the dark for the best results. So now it's time to go to infinity and beyond. That's Star Trek, right?
Arm phases, fire everything we got. Captain, engineering reports ready for lunch. Maneuvering thrusters, Mr. Sulu. Arm phases, fire everything we got. Maneuvering thrusters, Mr. Sulu. Captain, engineering reports ready for lunch. Maneuvering thrusters, Mr. Sulu. Captain, engineering reports ready for lunch.